Going to the post office, and then we're going to the creek. Got a usual bag, tote bag, and then backpack full. Usually we walk to the post, but gotta drive today. Got a lot of stuff. So we're just at the creek. I just want to give a big thanks to everybody that watches our videos. It truly means so much to us, and we thought this is a nice place to kind of stop this little montage that we're doing and give a big thank you to everybody that watches our videos and all the new subscribers and old subscribers. You guys are really what are motivating and pushing us to keep going.
We love you so much.
Yes, we really do. So let's get back into this.
No!
Oh no. Finnegan, no. Maybe the montage is just gonna have to end here.
And he's still limping a little bit.
We're not continuing this montage. We're gonna go home and clean Finn off. Ridiculous.
And his paw's better, so whatever limp he's got going on is fake.
Yeah. Because obviously he's running around like crazy.
I know. Oh, he's rubbing in dirt over there again.
Alright, we gotta get out of here.